Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Today we have the pleasure of visiting with attorney Chuck Easley, who is a former Mississippi Supreme Court Justice for the District of North Mississippi, but who is now a practicing attorney based right here in Columbus, Mississippi. Welcome to the show, my friend. Nice to see you again.
Hello, Troy.
I want to talk to you a little bit about 40 years you've been practicing. How does it feel after 40 years?
41 years.
41 years now.
It's gone by fast. It's like the other day I just got out of law school.
And that's what I want to ask you. How has the law changed in your view, in your opinion, for the better, or is it becoming more constrictive?
I wouldn't say for the better. I think, personally, I think some judges have too much power, and they do what they want to do.
Right. What made you get into law 41 years ago?
Well, I was a farmer.
Right.
And I went to Ole Miss for undergraduate school, and then I went to Mississippi State for my master's. And actually, Jimmy Carter made me a lawyer.
Really?
President Carter, Russia invaded Afghanistan, right, and we were farmers. And Jimmy Carter put an embargo on all grains going to Russia. Therefore, the market went down, way down. Right. And my father said, it's time for you to find something else to do, Chuck.
Go get a job.
That's right. So I decided to go to Ole Miss. It's about an hour away from my house.
Now, there are many different types of courts here in the state of Mississippi. How many have you served on, and what were they?
You mean how many have I practiced in?
Yeah.
Oh, God, over a dozen. There's Chancery Court, there's Youth Court, there's Circuit Court, there's County Court, Justice Court, City Court.
Gosh.
Federal Court, which has northern and southern districts. There's also the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. There's Tax Court in Washington, D.C., which I've had cases in. And about 3 years ago, I had the most unusual case. I represented a postal worker in postal court. I didn't even know a postal court existed. It's
Wow.
in Washington, D.C.
What made you I'm just getting to know you. What made you go from a lawyer to becoming a judge? What did you feel that you could offer being on the bench?
I like helping people. That's what I like to be a lawyer. I like helping people. And I didn't like the way some of the law was changing.
Yeah.
And I didn't think it was protecting people's rights enough. That's basically why I decided to run for the Supreme Court. Interesting.
And did you enjoy it whilst you were doing it? Was it something that once you got there you went, this is where I'm meant to be?
No, that's not where I'm meant to. That's not where I'm meant to be. I'm a trial lawyer. Right. I love the courtroom. The Supreme Court is an appellate judge, and all you do is read and write.
Oh, really?
Yes, at times it can be rather boring.
What's your favorite type of law to practice?
Family law.
Why family?
Oh, you're helping people. People really are in need, like divorces and child custody. They really need a lawyer to help them, because if they go into court without a lawyer, they always complain later.
Really?
Yes.
Do you like being in front of a jury? I can imagine, look, I'll have to be honest with you. Remember the TV show LA Law?
Yes.
I always wanted to be a lawyer because it looks so good. Do you know what I mean?
I love being in front of a jury. I've tried over 200 jury trials in my career, and that's highly unusual. But yeah, I've won 90-something% of my cases in front of a jury. And juries are just you and me, simple, ordinary people, deciding the case.
I think it's amazing. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you more as well. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
If you want to find out more information, there it all is up on the screen for you. Easley Law Firm, and give Chuck a nice call. He'll look after you. Back after this short break.